Deforestation, according to National Geographic, is the purposeful clearing of forested land. It is because of this purposeful clearing of forested land that problems such as climate change, loss of habitat for wildlife, greenhouse gas emissions, and a lot more harmful effects arise. Deforestation has dramatically altered the landscapes around the world and continues to change the world today. It is a particular concern in places such as tropical rainforests, due to rainforests hosting more than 1.5 trillion trees, which is nearly half of the world's tree supply. But it does end up affecting the world on a global scale. Due to forests supporting over 1.5 million trees, we must put an effort to confront and stop the destruction of forests to keep that supply of trees in healthy numbers for a better world. Suppose we let the atrocity that is deforestation run loose. In that case, we will end up causing more of an effect to climate change, disintegrate the atmosphere, and cause the extinction of even more animals due to the loss of their habitat. Explaining this further, the air we breathe in our beautiful community, Brownsville, Texas, is above a 50 for the Air Quality Index. According to airnow.gov, an air quality index of below 50 is considered a good air quality. I stated that Brownsville, Texas has one that's above a 50, which means that it's not that good, and that's what we need to change. The main reason why it's above a 50 is due to the mincing of trees. When you research and compare the air quality indexes of places with more biodiversity to locations with little to no biodiversity, this can be observed. If we reach the city of Manaus, Brazil's air quality index from 2015 compared to recent years, you will see the difference that trees make in the amount of air pollution within a city. It went from below a 50 to recent years when deforestation became more popular within there for agricultural reasons, to now a worse air quality index, which is above a 50, which I believe is a 57 AQI. To prevent the spread of more pollutants in the air, we as a community can come together and institute laws that will require restrictions on garbage and improve the efficiency of recycling centers here in Brownsville. We can accomplish this by attending town hall meetings, committees, commence fundraisers, and most important of all is start planting our own trees. If we start recycling as a community, we will surely be able to impact our environment. This can be stated with how much chemicals are burned here in Brownsville. If we plant more trees and start recycling, we won't have to burn those chemicals, and the trees will help solve the air, taking the CO2 from the pollutants and make them into oxygen that will support the ozone layer, so we can breathe more freely. It is true that if we start recycling as a community, we will be able to impact our environment, because according to the University of Southern Indiana, each ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, and 4,000 kilowatts of energy. So does 7,000 gallons of water. Getting our community to recycle effectively will improve the number of biodiversity and lead the plants within that biodiversity to help improve the quality of the air surrounding our community. Thank you.